Welcome to the best picks. The best DR-730 drum unit is probably one of the most overlooked components in your printer, but it's absolutely essential for getting those crisp, professional-looking prints. Today, we're diving deep into the Brother DR-730 drum unit, exploring its function, why it matters, and how it impacts your printing experience. Get ready to unlock the secrets to perfect prints. Number 5. DR-730 Drum Unit Replacement, 2-pack. This is a replacement drum unit for various Brother printers. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing setup, offering a reliable printing experience. It is compatible with a wide range of Brother HL and MFC series laser printers. Check the full list to ensure it fits your specific printer model. This drum unit offers a high page yield, allowing you to print up to 12,000 pages. It's perfect for both home and office use, reducing the frequency of replacements. The package includes two DR-730 drum units. This provides you with a convenient supply, ensuring you have a spare when needed. Each drum unit undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure it delivers vivid images and long-lasting preservation. You can trust it to produce high-quality prints every time. What we like. This DR-730 replacement undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure the best quality. It guarantees vivid images and lasting preservation for your documents. If you need to print important documents that require high-quality output and longevity, you should consider this one. What people say. They are a third of the cost of an OEM drum. This replacement non-OEM drum operated like a champ, no unusual noises, good print quality. The number 137 cartridge does indeed fit in my Canon printer just fine and continues to print crisply and cleanly. Number 4. MCYCOLOR DR-730 Drum Unit Replacement. Are you looking for a reliable drum unit replacement? This is the DR-730 drum unit, designed to work with a variety of Brother printers. It's a smart choice for your printing needs. The package includes two DR-730 drum units. Please note that toner cartridges are not included. You'll need to install them separately. Remember to reset the drum unit after installation. You can find detailed instructions in our video or refer to the operation guide on the product page. It's easy to follow. This drum unit offers a page yield of up to 12,000 pages at 5% coverage. That means it can handle a lot of printing before needing a replacement. It's efficient and cost-effective. This DR-730 drum unit is compatible with a wide range of Brother printer models, including HL and MFC series. It's a versatile solution for your printing needs. MCYCOLOR strives for better printing quality and more vibrant colors. This drum unit is a great choice for your printer. It is not created or sold by Brother. What we like. This DR-730 unit offers a high page yield, meaning fewer replacements and more printing. The installation is also easy. If you are looking for a reliable and cost-effective printing solution for your home or office, you should consider this one. What people say. Colors are clear and ink lasts for a good period of time. Solved the printer problem, it stopped making copies, and was easy to install. It installed easily and prints perfectly fine. Number 3. Easy Ink DR-730 Drum Unit Replacement, 2-pack. Looking for a reliable drum unit replacement? This is it. It's compatible with a range of Brother printers, offering a seamless printing experience. The package includes two DR-730 drum units and a user guide. Please note that the toner cartridge is not included in the package. Each drum unit can print up to 12,000 pages. That means less frequent replacements and more productivity for you. This drum unit works with multiple Brother HL and MFC series printers. Check the list to ensure it fits your printer model. The drum unit is designed for easy installation. You can quickly replace the old one and get back to printing in no time. What we like. This is a drum unit only, which means you only need to replace the drum, saving you money. It also has a high page yield, ensuring you can print more before needing a replacement. If you are looking for a cost-effective and efficient printing solution, you should consider this one. What people say. Easy installation foolproof instructions are included. And I mean foolproof. I have been using these for years without issue. Good value for money. Have been buying this for a long time and so far have not had any issues. Will continue to buy. Number 2. V4 Ink DR-730 Drum Replacement for Brother Printers. This package includes one V4 Ink DR-730 drum unit. Please note that the toner cartridge is not included. You'll need to use it with a V4 Ink TN-760 or TN-730 toner cartridge. This drum unit is compatible with a wide range of Brother printers, including DCP L2550DW, HL L2300 series, and MFC L2700 series. It's designed to work seamlessly with your printer model. Get up to 12,000 pages per drum unit based on 5% coverage. It delivers sharp text, bold blacks, and crisp graphics, ensuring professional quality prints. The V4 Ink DR-730 drum is specially designed for Brother printers. It's manufactured under strict OEM standards with upgraded components. This ensures it will work perfectly with your printer. The product is manufactured under ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and STMC standards. It undergoes rigorous testing, including printing quality, life, and endurance tests. This ensures a reliable and durable product. What we like. This DR-730 drum unit is designed to provide sharp text and crisp graphics, ensuring your documents look professional. It is manufactured under OEM standards, guaranteeing reliability and compatibility. If you value high-quality prints and consistent performance, you should consider this one. What people say. When I installed it first, I didn't read the manual. I thought it's defected. Then I noticed that you have to reset the printer for the drums and it worked like champ, clear and clean. Quality, price, and ease of installation. This item does the job and works well on printer. Number 1. Compatible DR-730 drum unit for Brother printers. This is a replacement drum unit, compatible with various Brother printer models. It offers a reliable printing solution for your needs. This package includes 2 new DR-730 drum units, excluding toner. It is designed to deliver high-quality prints. Each DR-730 drum unit can print up to 12,000 pages at 5% coverage. It ensures you get a lot of use out of each unit. This drum unit is compatible with a range of Brother printer models, including DCP L2550DW, HL L2370DW, and MFC L2750DW. It is a versatile choice. The DR-730 drum unit provides professional technical support and excellent print quality. It is designed to meet your printing needs. Before ordering, please double-check your printer model to ensure compatibility with this drum unit. This will help ensure a smooth printing experience. What we like. This DR-730 replacement creates rich blacks, enhancing the quality of your prints. It offers a high page yield, reducing the frequency of replacements. If you are looking for a drum unit that delivers excellent print quality and professional support, you should consider this one. What people say. Its seamless compatibility with numerous Brother printers makes installation a breeze. I've been impressed by the crisp, clear print quality, whether it's text or images, with no smudging or fading. Remarkably, its longevity stands out, offering a high page yield that translates to cost-effectiveness in the long run. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.